If cutting out meat, dairy, and eggs leaves you confused on how to eat a healthy, balanced diet, then this video should help you because we will talk about how to go vegan. Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. So, non-vegan people eat eggs, cheese, milk, bacon, the food that is very high in saturated fat, cholesterol, very low in fibers, actually zero fiber. So now you want to take care of your health. What to eat when you're vegan in the morning? Oatmeal, toast with some avocado and sprinkle some flax seeds, peanut butter, almond butter, chickpea salad, just get a chickpea can and add to it some tomato, cucumber, avocado, parsley with some lemon and some pinch of salt and black pepper. So these alternatives, they're very high in fibers and protein and very low in calories. Now let's switch to lunch. So chicken, meat, fish was the star of your plate when you weren't vegan, but now vegetables should be the star of your plate. Don't get bored with your vegetables. Add some radish, pepper, corn, mushroom, Brussels sprout. There's thousands of vegetables out there. Leafy green vegetables, vitamin C, vitamin K. So add vegetables as much as you want. And now you need protein source, right? So beans, lentil, red kidney beans, white beans, black beans, all these are very good source of protein. You don't need meat. They're even like way high in fiber than anything else. So now let's add some carbs. Brown rice, pasta, quinoa. You can add it to your everyday vegetable bowl. I eat this every day and I'm so happy with it. It's very high in fibers, protein. I get satisfied, I feel full, and it's very low in calories and it's very easy to make. For the dressing, you can Google some vegan dressings or you can add some tahini dressing, balsamic. There's a lot of vegan dressings out there that you should try. Dinner should be easy because whether you're vegan or you're not, dinner should always be plant-based food because you don't want to sleep with all these bad things in your system, right? So vegetables, hummus, tempeh, grilled tofu. So this is easy. Going vegan is the right choice. You are protecting yourself. You are helping yourself from certain types of cancer, obesity, diabetes, heart disease. Oh my God, if I start counting, it wouldn't end. And this is not what I'm saying. This is what studies are showing. Imagine that dairy can cause rheumatoid arthritis, and we've been eating dairy forever. So you just have to know what to eat and focus on a whole plant-based food. Focus on beans, vegetables, nuts, seeds. Do not just focus on the vegan chicken and the vegan alternatives that's out there. I'm not talking here about almond milk and cheese. I'm talking here more about the vegan cheese. I'm talking here about the vegan products that is out there. You can eat it once in a great while, but the main focus should be on whole plant food. Protein, vegetables, and in beans and nuts and seeds. And B12, you don't have to worry about B12. Animals, they get their B12 from the soil, from the grass. So eating some unwashed organic vegetables can help you get some B12, or just take some supplementation. Clever vegan are taking B12 supplementation. So it's not hard. It's very helpful. You're gonna be very happy once you take the decision. And if you needed any help, I'm here to help you.